Hi guys, Mel Padden here, Head of Developer Relations for the Casper Association, here with some updates for you from the Paris Blockchain Week, that we're on the right track of moving towards the friendly blockchain for developers. We look forward to further collaborations, further suggestions, and continuing to engage actively with our developer community. The guys from Make have created the very successful middleware components to make it easy to develop on Casper. We've got pre-built UI components, pre-built middle-tier API components. You've got your event streaming API all ready to go. So it's never been easier, and it's only going to get easier. We've got about 3 or 4 tools on the way, which we're hoping to see come down the line in the next 2 to 3 months. I don't want to be held to schedules for all of that, but suffice it to say there's some interesting things happening, very exciting things happening, and we look forward to delivering those to you in the latter stages of this year. Why should you try Casper? Why should you try developing on Casper? Well, we've got an end-to-end solution now, which we didn't quite have before. We've got an excellent smart contract framework in Odra, which if you've used it, you'll understand just how much it makes sense. It does smart contracts the way you would do it yourself. So it's intuitive and just works out of the box. We've got, as I said, I've previously mentioned the Make middleware, which makes connecting the various components of your application much easier. And you got good support from Make for that, good support from us in anything that you're trying to do. It just makes sense to use that option. We've got some other exciting tools like the Fondant application, which is it's essentially it's a rich user interface for interacting with and managing and querying your local Casper blockchains. So if you're running a local Casper net for testing purposes, you need a way to interact with it in a way that's manageable and intuitive, and it doesn't eat up your cognitive load in the same way that it does to manage things through command line utilities, pulling down nodes yourself. And these are important steps in the development process, which we've now made much easier, from moving through local testing to testnet and finally to mainnet, using tools like the Fondant application.